Today I'm unboxing SonicWall TZ280P. This is part of SonicWall's Gen 8 TZ series, and this is a PoE variant. This is perfect for powering your PoE and PoE Plus devices and suitable for small offices, your retail stores, and branch deployments. We'll take a quick look at what's in the box, the ports, and what this new firewall brings to the table. Let's get started. Inside the box, we get the regular documentation, your quick start guide and regulatory guide. Next, we see the firewall sitting right on top. But before we go to the firewall, let's look at all the accessories that we get in the box. First, we get an RJ45 Cat5 cable. We have a micro USB console cable. There's also a DIN rail mount bracket, handy in case if you're planning to install this in a structured cabinet. Our power supply and power cable in a bubble wrap. It's worth noting that the TZ280P gets a 180 watt power supply to support the PoE functionality. And finally, the power cable. And here's the TZ280P itself. It's a compact desktop form factor, weighs around 0.85 kgs, and perfect to install in a network shelf in a small office. On the front, you get the standard SonicWall LED indicators, power, test, security, and storage status indicators. You also get the LED indicators for all of your interfaces. We also see a Type-C connection. Moving to the back, we see 8 1 gig Ethernet interfaces. X4 to X7 are the PoE interfaces with up to 30 watts per port. Really helpful in case you want to power up Sonic access points, your IP cameras. You can run a small branch without needing an external PoE switch. 2 1 gig SFP slots. This gives you faster fiber uplink options for your branch deployments and faster WAN connections. We also have Type A USB connection for your modem or USB dongles for your WAN failover, and we have a micro USB console port on the back panel as well. The power connector sits on the right. The TZ280P provides 2.5 Gbps of firewall throughput and 1 Gbps of threat prevention throughput. That includes your gateway antivirus, application control, and IPS. It supports up to 1 million simultaneous connections and 200,000 DPI connections, which is perfect for small offices and branch deployments. The TZ280P runs Sonic OS 8.04 or later versions. You get TLS 1.3 inspection, zero touch deployment, integrated SD-WAN, and Capture ATP with RTDMI technology. The TZ280P also seamlessly integrates with SonicWall's unified management, giving you simplified management across all your SonicWall products. It is also fully compatible with Managed Protection Security Suite or MPSS, providing you subscription-based security and services. Customers can access Cysurance cyber warranty of up to $200,000 USD. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.